Okay, today we have seen started doing the differentiation, different models are. Okay, we have seen chain rule. Now today we are going to see the substitution method. Okay, this is also very important, sir. Okay, now first problem. Y is equal to tan inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Now here your trigonometric formulas are x is equal to cos theta, and you should know this formula. 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. So I am writing the formulas. Therefore y is equal to tan inverse of root of 1 minus x is what, sir? 1 minus x is 1 minus cos theta, which is 2 sin square theta by 2. Okay, 1 minus x is 1 minus cos theta, which is 2 sin square theta by 2, and divided by 2 cos square theta by 2. So this becomes by cos square theta by 2. So this becomes y is equal to tan inverse of square root will go, 2 will get cancelled, sin by cos will be left over, tan theta by 2. Okay, so tan inverse of tan theta by 2 is 1 by 2 theta. Okay, actually your 1a they have removed the inverse trigonometric function, but I told madam to discuss this because we require for differentiation, and second year also it is required, sir. So please understand here, tan inverse of tan theta by 2 is nothing but 1 by 2 theta. From this, theta is equal to cos inverse x. Therefore this becomes 1 by 2 cos inverse x. Now therefore I am writing one statement: differentiate with respect to x. What is the word? Differentiate with respect to x. WRT means with respect to, means what? Dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2. Derivative of this one is, so cos inverse x derivative. Here what is the meaning of this? DIFF, differentiate. DIFF means differentiate with respect to x. Every time I am writing this statement, sir, differentiate with respect to x means we are finding derivative of this. Dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Clear? So we have put a substitution and we got answer. Now look at here. Y is equal to sin inverse of, okay, there are three problems I will be doing simultaneously. Y is equal to sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. X is equal to tan theta. So y is equal to sin inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. There is a formula: sin 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, what is the formula? Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So this is replaced by what, sir? Sin 2 theta. ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది సార్ మనకి? Sin 2 theta. So what is that we get? 2 theta. From this, what is that theta? Tan inverse x. Therefore y is equal to 2 into tan inverse x. Therefore again I am writing one statement. Just now I told you, differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to 2 into tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. Right? This is the one. Second one, y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Again put x is equal to tan theta. From this, theta is equal to tan inverse x. So y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Again cos to theta formulas are 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So this becomes what, sir? Y is equal to cos inverse of cos 2 theta, which will give you 2 theta. So y is equal to 2 into tan inverse x. Same. ఇక్కడ కూడా ఏమొచ్చింది సార్? y is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Here also same. Again, differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square. Same answer will come. Okay, what is the answer? We get 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, then there is one more problem. Next one. Y is equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. Again, put x is equal to tan theta. From theta, tan inverse x. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Again, what is the tan 2 theta formula? This is the formula, sir. Tan 2 theta, which is nothing but 2 theta. Therefore, y is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Therefore, differentiate with respect to x. So, same derivative will come. All these three problems has got same answer, sir. 2 by 1 plus x square. Observe here. Okay. So, here by substitution we are changing the complete formula. Okay. That's why I said these are very, very important, sir. Next one. Y is equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. What is that? 3x minus 4x cube. Okay. So, let x is equal to sin theta. So, theta is equal to sin inverse x. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Again, this is a formula, sir. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta is sin 3 theta formula. So, y is equal to sin inverse of sin 3 theta, which is 3 theta. Again, 3 into sin inverse x. So, differentiate with respect to x. So, what will happen? Dy by dx is equal to 3 into 1 by 1 minus x square. So, means what? Should know all the trigonometric formulas are. Formulas తెలుస్తేనే లెక్కలు చేయగలం సార్. Otherwise, you cannot do it. Okay. Please note down this. Next. Observe here. Cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. So again, x is equal to cos theta, theta is equal to cos inverse of x. So y is equal to cos inverse of 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Again, cos 3 theta formula. Cos 3 theta, which is 3 theta. Therefore, y is equal to 3 into cos inverse x. Differentiate with respect to x. So, what will happen? Dy by dx is equal to 3 into minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Okay, observe here, we have to know the trigonometric formulas. Next one. X square, you call it as y. Put x is equal to tan theta. So what will happen? Y is equal to tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta, which is tan 3 theta formula. tan 3 theta, which is 3 theta. Therefore, y is equal to 3 into tan inverse x. Why? From here, theta is equal to tan inverse x. Therefore, differentiate with respect to x. So, dy by dx is equal to 3 into 1 by 1 plus x square. All of them has come in terms of tan 3 theta, sin 3 theta, cos 3 theta formula. So, please note down this. Next one. Now, look at here. The substitutions are very, very important, sir. What is that? Secant inverse of 2x square minus 1. Okay. Now, right? Let x is equal to cos theta. So, what will happen? Y is equal to secant inverse of 1 by 2 cos square theta minus 1. Again, cos to theta formula. Since cos to theta is what, sir? 2 cos square theta minus 1. So, y is equal to secant inverse 1 by cos 2 theta. Secant 2 theta. Okay. So, what will happen? Y is equal to secant inverse of. So, y is equal to 2 theta, which is nothing but from this theta is equal to cos inverse x. Therefore, cos inverse x. So, differentiate with respect to x. So, dy by dx is equal to 2 into minus 1 by 1 minus x square. So, you should know that trigonometric formulas are perfectly for this. Okay, please note down this. Say I am putting everything in substitution, then integration derivative is very, very simple, sir. Next. Now observe here. Y is equal to tan inverse a minus x by a plus x. Let small a is equal to tan a and x is equal to tan b. Okay, what I am doing, a is equal to tan a, b, x is equal to tan b. So, this becomes y is equal to tan inverse of tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. What is the formula? Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b, tan of a minus b. So, tan inverse of tan of a minus b. So, which will be a minus b. From this, what is that we have written? A is equal to tan a. Therefore, a is equal to tan inverse a and x is equal to tan b. So, b is equal to tan inverse x. Therefore, y is equal to tan inverse a minus tan inverse x. Right? Now, again differentiate with respect to x. So, dy by dx, tan inverse a derivative is 0, sir, because a is a constant. Derivative of constant is 0 minus 1 by 1 plus x square. So, dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Here this derivative is 0 because it is a constant. A is a constant. Okay. So, x is a variable, a is a constant. That is why it becomes 0. Okay. Please note on this. Next. Tan inverse Observe here. 3a square x minus x cube by a into a square minus 3x square. Observe here. First, let is equal to a is equal to x is equal to a tan theta. Now please understand here how I am doing here. Y is equal to tan inverse into 3a square into a tan theta minus a tan theta whole cube by a into a square minus 3 into a tan theta whole square. Right now, y into tan inverse of this because 3a cube tan theta minus a cube tan cube theta by open the bracket a cube minus a square tan square theta will come with a, it becomes again a square tan square theta will come because a is there, it becomes a cube. Now I will take out, cancel everywhere a cube means what? Here a cube is there, here also a cube is there, here also a cube is there, here also a cube is there. Cancel. So what will happen? 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So what I have done? Cancel a cube. Okay, a cube everywhere. So what will happen? A cube if you cancel everywhere, a cube will get cancelled, this is left out. Again we know this is a formula of tan 3 theta, which is nothing but 3 theta. Therefore, observe here, from this x by a is equal to tan theta, and from this theta is equal to tan inverse x by a. Okay. Therefore, this becomes what? Y is equal to 3 into tan inverse x by a. Now, derivative, differentiate with respect to x. So, dy by dx is equal to 3 into tan inverse is 1 by 1 plus whole square into chain rule we have to apply, sir. d by dx of x by a. So what we have to do? 1 by 1 plus x square and chain rule again it will come. So what is the answer? 3 by 1 plus x whole square, x derivative is 1, so 1 by a will come. Right? Please go through this problem, sir. Very, very important. So I have put x is equal to tan theta, x by a is equal to tan theta, theta is equal to tan inverse x by a. Again I have put a square into x is replaced by a tan theta, here a tan. Everywhere I am finding tan cube, a cube, a cube, a cube, a cube, that I have cancelled. So we got 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta, which is tan 3 theta. Again replace, differentiate. Again formulas, 1 by 1 plus x square, tan inverse x derivative. Derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. This formula we are applying, so x by a whole square into derivative of x by a is 1 by a. Okay, please note down this, very, very important. Okay, with this we have seen some substitution problems, and with this we have finished substitution. Okay, right, we'll stop here.